one of my own favorite watch. It's a silver watch, pocket watch. You can see the numbers written here. I will show you with both of backs in this watch, and written everywhere 0.935 silver with caliber number also. And I will show you the unique pocket watch. Ding ding. It's a unique watch with digital number in 1960 approx model. You can set the time by pressing this small button and rotating this, and this is for winding to running this watch. This is the time, 5 o'clock 14 minutes, and this is the second sub-second also, you can say side second. I will show you the changing between minutes and hours. It's just perfect. Some problems in side second, approx 10 seconds. Oh, what a beauty, what a beauty of this watch.